is a preview of a G36C with foldable stock and a drawback. You can see, pull it all the way. Oh shit! Oh shit! Yeah. Forget it. No, shoot it. Alright, well, this is a G36, as you see right there. G36C HK. Alright, let's folding stock. Folding stock.
No.
Shit. Pretty pimp. And there's the settings. I don't know if you can see it, but like,
No, you can't see it.
you can't. Damn it. We have to go outside. Alright, let me see. Let me see. Put it on the bed.
You don't have to. You don't have to let them see it.
Anyway.
Tell them how to do this.
Well, what you do is by popping this little screw out right there, and then pulling it out, placing it where you know, slide it out. There goes the battery. Convenient that it just popped out of case. And now if you look at the shadow, pretty much look like a FAMAS. It won't show the shadow, it won't show it. Oh, it does show it. That's pretty live. Oh, that's pretty live though. But pull it out right there. No. Full.
What?
It kind of does look like a FAMAS.
Without the battery in, without the clip.
Oh yeah. Well, without the battery, you can still add the drawback mode, and you could basically shoot it.
Oh, well. No, tell me. No battery.
Still do it. Yeah, no battery, nor clip. No, actually, you need the clip to use the drawback.
No, you don't. Yeah, to shoot out
yeah,
of it.
to shoot out of it, but like,
Yeah,
if you don't really want, well, if you're like inside a house.
So tell me about this one.
About the silver, the chrome. Oh yeah, and a hop-up mode. Can't see it. We have to be outside, but there's just a hop-up mode right there. Let it go. It's chrome.
Pull back.
It's a pullback chrome. Right there. Live. Now just like put this in. Don't have to put everything in it. It's gonna take a long time. Right there, now shoot it.
Live.
That's live. G36, brand new, came out 2 months ago. We like first one. Well, probably not. You like my amp? It sucks. It's just like $40 anyways, but like, yeah, you know what it is. It's probably about like G36, bro. Look at the battery sticking out. Damn it.
I know.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna break it. Okay, later.